इस बिल के इंट्रोडक्शन पे
The Narendra Modi government tables the One Nation, One Election bill in the Lok Sabha. Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal introduced two bills in Parliament. The Constitution 129th Amendment Bill 2024 and the Union Territories Law Amendment Bill. The proposed law outlines a two-phase plan for implementing simultaneous elections nationwide.
Speaker sir, thank you very much for affording me this opportunity to speak on the introduction of the bill. Hey,
The government's move sparked immediate protest by the opposition India bloc, which claimed it was an assault on the constitution and demanded it to be sent to the Joint Parliamentary Committee for discussion.
There is absolutely no way under the Indian constitutional scheme where the states are separate constituents and equal constituents, the term of the state legislatures can be made subject to the term of the national legislature.
This bill violates the right to democratic self-government, which is part of Article 1419. And if a legislative assembly is dissolved, sir, and midterm elections are conducted, the tenure of that assembly will not be for 5 years, sir. This in itself is a violation of parliamentary democracy, which envisages a tenured legislature.
This is completely against federalism and the Constitution of India. The centre and the states have their own tenures and terms. So I think to mix the two is not fair.
This was followed by a fiery rebuttal by Union Home Minister Amit Shah.
जब ये संविधान सुधार का विधेयक संवैधानिक संशोधन जब कैबिनेट में चर्चा में आया तब प्रधानमंत्री जी ने स्वयं मनसा व्यक्त करी थी कि इसको जेपीसी को देना चाहिए। इस पर विस्तृत चर्चा सभी स्तर पर होनी चाहिए। इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि इसमें सदन का ज्यादा समय जाया करे बगैर अगर मंत्री जी कहते हैं कि इसको जेपीसी को सौंपने के लिए वो तैयार है तो जेपीसी में सारी चर्चा होगी और जब जेपीसी के रिपोर्ट के आधार पर कैबिनेट इसको पारित करेगी तब भी फिर से चर्चा होनी है।
NDA allies too backed the government on One Nation, One Poll bills.
मैं शिवसेना और हमारे नेता एकनाथ शिंदे जी की तरफ से इस बिल का पूरी तरीके से समर्थन करता हूं।
I rise today on behalf of the Telugu Desam Party to express our unwavering support for the NDA's One Nation and One Election bill. Sir, our party's guiding force, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu ji, has always championed transformative ideas and is well recognized and respected as a visionary leader, sir.
The bills were then put to voting for considering it for admission in the House. While 256 MPs voted in favour, 198 MPs opposed it. The bill was then referred to JPC, where it will be further discussed.
Various opposition political parties have opposed this, saying that it would put the federalism in danger and will finish off various regional players. The government has agreed upon sending these bills to Joint Parliamentary Committee. Now, we'll have to wait and watch who all are going to be the members of this crucial scrutiny committee.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.